Hey guys, it's your boy, Dog Boy. Today we're watching a stupid cat in a bush near where I live. Yeah, it's in my backyard. It's like a dog. Yeah. It's like, I bet it's like, I hate dogs, I'm a stupid cat. Where'd that cat go? I don't see it. Guys, if you see it, comments. Sorry, I can't talk today. But, oh, I see the cat now. The cat's going up on his prey. Let's see. My dog is like, help me, boy. Actually, where did the cat go? Fifi, run! Yeah, my dog's name's Fifi. Well, my dog, I got her from my grandparents. Well, I'm basically just watching her for the week while they're at Las Vegas. Oh, that cat. That stupid cat. Sorry if I sound like a girl. Just, my audio went malfunctioned. You guys, you see that cat? The cat. Like it's life. Hey! Trust me, I'm not a girl. Girls love cats. Well, most of them. Ooh, that cat's getting up close. Yeah. That's one darn cat, if I've ever seen one. Okay. I'm gonna stop it here because I'm kind of tired, okay? Bye.